What's up, guys? Cruise TV here. So I've had this Tufskinz custom insert in my truck for quite some time now, and I thought it was time to do a review. So here it is. Of course, it's red. Cruise TV matches all of my red accents. Also got that one from Tufskinz, as you know. And yeah, I really love it. It adds your own personal touch to the truck. I mean, you can put whatever you want there. You can put Tundra, you know, whatever comes to your mind that actually fits there. So it's held up really nicely. Solid. Real easy to install. You just I used a little trim piece tool, and just took the old SR5 insert out of there, and I just stuck this one on. A lot of glare, so sorry about that. But yeah, not much else to say about this. I really think it looks cool. I recommend this to everyone that has a Tundra and wants to put their personal touch. So let me know what you guys think. Again, I got this at Tufskinz, and I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, man, take a look at that. That looks pretty dang cool. Let me know if you guys want me to do a review on this. This is also custom, and I'll leave a link in that video as well for that piece. So just leave a comment or two, and you know, I'll get that video started. So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.